Okay, Market Mantra 3. I owe you guys a trade recap and all of that, all of the trade I lost last week. But this is the week's trade. As you can see, now I'm looking to see if we can break this low, come back and give us a downside for the sales for those lows. Because we already took out the weekly highs, see. So, trade of the week, like in simple terms, if we look at the weekly, which I'm gonna show you right now, the weekly looks like it's liquidating its previous week candle to give us another bearish candle lower, you see. So I'm just gonna show you guys now, and you see, this is why I'm looking for the sells. If you can see, we broke above this high, but we left no wick. The wick looks like it's leaving here. That's why even on the lower time frame, I'm looking for liquidity sweep to take us lower. It could still close what you call bullish like this, then the next candle goes down, but we still have a high likelihood that we could sweep highs like this and go down. So even though like it could go up a bit like during the day, I'm looking for this candle to at least drag us a little bit low. So with that theory, we can find your 122 and a 123 within that candle on the lower time frame, you see. So let's just go to the 2 hour or something where we can start seeing things clearly. And this is EU, by the way, Euro USD. Last week I lost the trade on GBP USD. You know, I just had to sit down and take a break. It wasn't sitting well with me because I lost my funded account also along with losing the trade, because I wanted to pass the phase 2 so quick. I threw risk management out of the window and I just almost went full bar. Like I almost did a full margin, but we can't do that on a funded account. So I just opened big positions and they didn't go my way, and I breached my daily my daily drawdown. So didn't sit well with me. I just took a young break, but now yeah, we're looking for another trade of this week. Here's another clearer view. Let me put it back on. See, so now if you can see, this is the previous week high and we liquidated, we went above it. And if you can see, we're still in buy structure. That's why I'm looking for this low to break. That load's gonna show me that sellers are jumping into the market, and we could expect or anticipate, not expect, but same shit, different toilet. We can anticipate a retracement to take us lower. Yeah, as I was saying, we can anticipate a a retest. Sorry for the noise, I'm just watching From. You know, this series got me hooked right now. But anyways, back to the work. Back again for this week. Last week wasn't a good trading day because I did a lot of mistakes, threw my risk management out of the window. I followed the setup, I followed the trade, but then I believed in it too much and I took the wrong, let me say, break of highs and break of lows. But I will explain in the trade recap and everything. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys trade Market Mantra 3 and give you guys some insights of the trade of the week, what I'm looking for. Because Monday, yes, we did close bearish. But Tuesday went bullish. So yes, we still have a high likelihood that market could still go higher. Hence why I'm waiting for this last low to be broken. And yeah, we'll come back with an update on the shorts. So keep an eye on the shorts also. But that's the trade of the week.